Hello! Welcome to the Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Lacey and today I have a Halloween tutorial video for you on how to make this hair flower using flowers that I bought at the dollar store. So if you want to see how I made this hair flower, then stick around. Okay, here we go. So first of all, I got these awesome flowers at Dollar Tree. So if you have a Dollar Tree near you, they may still have some of these Halloween flowers there. You can check them out. And then you'll need a piece of felt and a hair clip and some scissors and some wire cutters. Also, you will need a hot glue gun and glue. So I found out these flowers I don't even need to cut. Really, they just pop right off, and then I just ended up cutting this little tiny piece that was sticking out because we want them to be flat on the bottom so that it's easier to glue down. So I'm just cutting off the little plastic bit on the bottom of the flowers and the leaves and the spiders and everything that's on there. We just want it to all lay nice and flat. Just like that. So I'm just going to do that to the rest of the flowers. I decided I wanted to use 3 flowers, and then I have 3 sets of leaves, a spider, and 2 of the little branch things. So I got all of those cut, and now I'm ready to kind of map out how I want my flower to go. So right now I'm just kind of eyeballing how I want it to lay and kind of just laying it out to see how it will look before I actually start gluing it down. So once you have a design that you like, okay, so once you have a design that you like, then you can take your felt and you're going to cut a piece out to use to glue the flowers on. And you're going to end up trimming this down. Most likely I would cut it big so that you have enough room for sure to glue everything that you want, and then you can trim it down after that. So mine was super long, so I did cut it down a little and cut down the width a little bit as well. And now I'm just taking my hot glue gun and putting some glue on the bottom of the flowers, and I'm going to stick it to the felt. And just be careful during this process. It is hot glue and it will burn you if you touch it, so be careful. And just to let it cool enough in the meantime so that it will stick before you start doing the next one. And you don't want to see the felt underneath, so you want to kind of put the flowers a little bit close together so that you don't see the felt coming through between the flowers. And now I'm going to put some glue in the blank spots and kind of glue the flowers down a little bit more. Make sure that they're really secure on there. And then I'm going to stick in my little branches where I put that glue as well. And then I just kind of arranged them so that they looked nice against the flowers. And as you can see, I just stuck it in there and then just kind of bent it around a little bit so that it wasn't sticking out weird. Okay, now I'm taking the little spider. I'm going to glue him down too. Just letting that glue dry there, and then I'm going to stick the leaves in. I'm just applying the glue directly to the felt and then sticking the leaves underneath in there and pressing it down and letting the glue cool. And I decided I wanted another one on this end. Just kind of eyeball it, just whatever you think looks nice. There's not really a right or wrong way, just whatever you think looks nice. And there we go, and I'm just giving it a second to make sure everything's stuck down good, and then I am trimming off the excess felt around the bottom and just kind of rounding it out and making it look a little bit nicer. And yeah, just trim it down however much you want to, just so that it's not really sticking out or showing anywhere. And then I am taking and gluing on the edges again to make sure that the felt is totally secured with the flowers and that I don't have any gaps where it may start pulling apart. And now it's time to do the clip, and that piece I cut off ended up being just the right size to use for this part. So as you can see, I put the clip around the felt and then I'm just cutting it down a little bit. You want it enough surface to be able to glue and have it be secure, but not to go over the edges of the felt that you already have glued down. So yeah, I'm just going to clip it on there and then glue all around that felt and stick it to the back of my flower. You want to do plenty of glue on this part because this is the piece that's going to get the strain when you open and close the clip, so you want to make sure that it's nice and secure and glued down. So yeah, as you can see, the clip is fairly secure. I need to let it cool just a little bit more, but this is my finished Halloween flower. I was really happy with the way it turned out. It's a nice, fun, spooky project that you can do for Halloween. Thanks so much for watching my tutorial on this hair flower for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got a lot more spooky vintage videos coming your way. Bye!